So, we need to talk about AI, not the sci-fi kind, but the practical tools quietly changing how people make money online. What's up? I'm Vivek. Today I'm showing you how to use AI to automate your online income. Forget the hype. We're breaking down real tools and strategies you can set up to generate revenue with less effort. This isn't about overnight riches, it's about building smarter systems that work for you. We'll cover 5 areas: content creation, customer support, email marketing, e-commerce, and social media. For each, I'll show you the tools, setup steps, and the real impact on your time and bottom line. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable playbook, no fluff, just practical advice you can use right away. Ready to build a more automated, intelligent income stream? Let's get into it. First up, content. It's the lifeblood of any online business, whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or building your brand on social media. But let's be honest, creating content from scratch is a grind. It's time-consuming, repetitive, and can quickly lead to burnout, especially if you're juggling multiple roles. That's where AI steps in. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality drafts from your prompts in just seconds, taking a huge load off your plate. Think of them as supercharged writing assistants. You're still the creative director. They just help you get started faster and with less effort. For example, say you need a blog post on composting. Give ChatGPT a detailed prompt and it'll deliver a solid draft in seconds. No more staring at a blank page. But don't just copy-paste. The magic happens when you edit, add your unique voice, and double-check facts. That's how you make the content truly yours and stand out from the crowd. This approach can save you up to 80% of the time you'd spend writing from scratch, freeing you up for more important tasks or creative brainstorming. The same goes for product descriptions. Just feed your specs into an AI tool and you'll get SEO-friendly copy that's ready to be polished and published. For social media, you can batch create a month's worth of posts with a single prompt. AI gives you ideas, stats, and tips to fill your calendar and keep your audience engaged. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly. Just type your request, hit enter, and get instant results, even if you're not a tech expert. The secret to great output? Be specific with your prompts. The more detail and context you provide, the better and more tailored the results will be. Some tools, like Jasper, can even learn your brand's voice and style, so your content feels authentic and consistent across every channel. And the best part? Costs are dropping. Many AI tools now offer free tiers or affordable plans, making them accessible for businesses of any size, even solo entrepreneurs. The return on investment in hours saved is massive, especially if you're serious about scaling your content output or growing your business. So, use AI to generate drafts for blogs, product descriptions, and social posts. Then, refine, personalize, and publish with confidence. This shift frees up your time for strategy, innovation, and business growth, not just feeding the content machine day after day. Let AI handle the grunt work. Your creativity, vision, and expertise are still the secret sauce that sets your business apart. Next, let's talk about customer support, a crucial part of any online business. If you sell online, you know customer questions never stop. They come in at all hours, from all over the world, and can quickly pile up if you're not prepared. AI chatbots, like Intercom, Drift, or ManyChat, now handle a huge range of interactions, 24/7. They're always available, never take a break, and can respond instantly to hundreds of customers at once. They're not the old, clunky bots. Modern chatbots are smart, intuitive, and can actually hold helpful conversations with your customers. They answer FAQs, qualify leads, book appointments, and guide sales. They can even provide personalized recommendations based on customer responses, making the experience feel more human. Setup is simple. Just train the bot with your FAQs, product info, and policies. Most platforms offer easy-to-use interfaces, so you don't need to be a tech expert. Now, when a customer asks, "Do you ship to Australia?" At 2 a.m. the bot answers instantly. No waiting, no lost sales. Your business is always open, even while you sleep. These bots can also qualify leads by asking follow-up questions, gathering details, and even segmenting customers based on their needs. They recommend the right products or plans, helping customers find exactly what they're looking for without any hassle. They filter out tire kickers, so you only talk to serious buyers. This saves you time and lets you focus on high-value conversations. Integration is easy. Connect the bot to your website and CRM, so all your customer data stays organized and up to date. The chatbot can even trigger follow-up emails automatically, keeping your customers engaged and moving them through your sales funnel. On social media, tools like ManyChat automate replies in your DMs, boosting engagement and satisfaction. You can respond to Instagram or Facebook messages instantly, no matter how busy you are. The result? AI handles 80% of routine questions, freeing you and your team to focus on complex issues that need a human touch. This means faster response times and happier customers. Always be transparent. Let users know they're chatting with a bot so they know what to expect and don't feel misled, and make it easy to reach a real person if needed. A simple talk to a human button can make all the difference in customer trust. The strategy: deploy an AI chatbot to handle first-line support and lead qualification, improving customer experience and reducing your workload. It's a win-win for both you and your customers. It's a scalable professional solution, even if you're a solo entrepreneur. With AI, you can deliver top-tier support and grow your business without burning out. Now, email marketing. Your list is your most valuable asset, but generic blasts don't cut it anymore. AI-powered platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign personalize at scale. AI segments your audience based on behavior, purchases, clicks, site visits, creating dynamic groups you couldn't manage manually. You can send tailored campaigns to each segment with personalized product recommendations and calls to action. This boosts open and click rates, driving more sales. AI also optimizes send times, delivering emails when each subscriber is most likely to open them. Just check the send time optimization box and watch your engagement rise. Many platforms now include AI writing assistants to help brainstorm subject lines, A/B test, and draft emails from prompts. For automated campaigns, AI can build branching sequences. If a user clicks a link, the next email is tailored to their interest. The workflow: integrate your site, let AI segment your list, personalize content, optimize send times, and use AI to speed up copywriting. Move from batch and blast to intelligent one-to-one communication on autopilot. Running an e-commerce store? In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the competition means using every tool at your disposal. AI can optimize every part of your operation, from the moment a customer lands on your site to the final checkout. Start with personalized product recommendations. Think Amazon-style suggestions, now available for any store via plugins. These recommendations are tailored to each visitor, making shopping feel more personal and engaging. These tools analyze browsing and purchase history to show each customer what they're most likely to buy, boosting average order value. Next, let's talk about dynamic pricing. AI adjusts prices in real time based on competitor prices, inventory, and demand, maximizing your margins automatically. This means you're always competitive, without constant manual updates. If a competitor runs out of stock, your price goes up, letting you capture extra value. If inventory lags, AI applies targeted discounts to move product, helping you avoid excess stock and free up cash flow. Inventory management is smarter too, with AI tracking trends and seasonality. AI predicts what you'll need and when, reducing stockouts and dead stock. It helps you plan ahead, so you're never caught off guard. It can auto-generate purchase orders or alert you when it's time to reorder, saving you hours of manual work. AI-powered search makes it easier for customers to find what they want, understanding intent and learning from behavior. This means fewer lost sales and happier shoppers. Better search means higher conversion rates and more customers completing their purchases. Most tools are easy to install. Just add the app, connect your data, and configure a few settings. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Start with one area, like recommendations, then expand as you see results, and gain confidence. The strategy: use AI for recommendations, pricing, inventory, and search, building a smarter store step by step. Each layer adds intelligence, efficiency, and revenue, automatically, helping your business grow and thrive in the digital age. Finally, social media. Consistency is key, but it can eat up your day. AI-powered tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later now suggest the best posting times for your audience. The AI analyzes when your followers are most active, building a custom schedule to maximize reach and engagement. Load your content, and the AI handles the timing, no more guesswork. Many tools also include AI assistants to help write posts. Paste your blog link and get tailored captions for each platform. Some even analyze images and suggest captions and hashtags. AI-driven analytics go beyond likes and comments, surfacing insights on what content, topics, and times drive the most engagement. Spot trends, double down on what works, and refine your strategy with real data. Advanced tools offer social listening, monitoring conversations about your brand or industry, and analyzing sentiment. You can even set alerts for potential leads, jump into relevant conversations and offer solutions. The workflow batch create content, let AI schedule and post, review analytics, and adjust your strategy. The goal, a consistent data-driven presence that builds trust and authority without the daily grind. There you have it. 5 actionable ways to use AI to automate your online income. We covered content creation, 24/7 chatbots, personalized email marketing, e-commerce optimization, and social media automation. Combine these systems for even bigger results. AI isn't futuristic. It's a practical tool you can use right now to buy back your time and grow your business. My challenge: pick one strategy and try it this week. Let me know how it goes in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more guides on tech, AI, and smarter income streams. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.